My face was blurry, I had to wait. Good morning, guys. How's it going? I'm feeling a little bit congested. It's all good though. It is a beautiful day outside. No rain, none whatsoever. It's time to go fly a drone. Let's go. Guys, we had a bit of a mishaps, whatever. I was landing the drone, and as I was landing it, the back blade got stuck in the grass.
She crashed.
And I crashed. But let's see. Hopefully it turns on. The blades work. Blades work. Blades work, guys. Whew. Now we're gonna take it home and like clean off the dirt a little bit. It's a little dirty now.
Power died.
All right. How do you turn the blades off? Like that. That's how you turn the blades off. I knew I read that in the manual somewhere. All right, that was a fun time flying. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Oh, it's cold, guys. Meanwhile, today I was watching the football game, and they're playing in Minnesota, and it was like -3 degrees, and I'm like complaining about the cold here. I could just imagine there. Whoa. I'm feeling kind of sick, which is ironic because I was watching a video from a year ago today, and a year ago today I was sick. In fact, a year ago yesterday the vlog was titled "I was too sick to vlog," which is funny, but I'm going to stick through it. If you guys are feeling sick out there, repeat after me. Put your right hand up and repeat after me. I, insert your name here, refuse to get sick this season. Say it and you won't get sick. Alright, that's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for watching this super short Sunday vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. And that's it. That's all I did today. I also had pizza and watched the Golden Globes. Happy Sunday. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.